Hello students and welcome back to your literature segment. Today we are going to start with Glimpses of India part 3. Like we have left earlier on part 2 and it was related to Coorg and the very first part was related to Goa. Okay, so today we are going to travel towards Assam. जैसे कि हमने पहले वाले पार्ट में हम कहाँ पर गए थे, हम गोवा गए थे और वहाँ पर हमने क्या देखा था, क्या फेमस है गोवा में, ब्रेड. एंड सेकेंडली वी वेंट टू कुर्ग जहाँ पर हिल्स, माउंटेन्स, रिवर राफ्टिंग एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स, ऑल द गेम्स आर टू वेरी फेमस. वैसे ही आज ग्लिम्सेस ऑफ इंडिया के इस पार्ट 3 में हम लोग जाने वाले हैं आसाम. सो इन आसाम क्या ज़्यादा फेमस है? एज वी ऑल नो कि आसाम में सबसे ज़्यादा फेमस जो है वो है टी प्लांटेशन. ओके, चाय पत्ती का बागान जो सबसे बड़ा पाया जाता है वो कहाँ पाया जाता है? आसाम में. जैसे हमने पहले दिन ही ऑथर के बारे में स्टडी कर लिया था, सो नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड विद द समरी ऑफ टी फ्रॉम आसाम एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स स्पेशल अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. प्रांजल बिलोंग टू आसाम. ही वॉज स्टडिंग इन अ स्कूल इन दिल्ली. Rajveer was his classmate. Pranjal's father was the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. यहाँ पर हम दो कैरेक्टर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे. बेसिकली जैसे कि हमने फर्स्ट गोवा में देखा था कि वहाँ पर राइटर ने क्या शेयर किया था, अपना चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंस, दैट व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड उन्हें वहाँ पर जो ब्रेड बनती थी, ही जस्ट लाइक्ड इट. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट ही जस्ट डिस्कस्ड अबाउट कुर्ग, दैट इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड अ वेरी पीसफुल प्लेस. इन द सेम मैनर we are going to discuss this chapter with the help of two characters. The characters' name are Pranjal and Rajveer. So Pranjal belong to Assam. Pranjal जो है वो बेसिकली आसाम से बिलोंग करता है. ओके, एंड उसके जो फादर हैं वो वहाँ पर अपर आसाम में ही इज अ मैनेजर इन टी प्लांटेशन. ओके, एंड जो राजवीर है वो प्रांजल का ही क्लासमेट है. सो हाउ डिड दिस डिस्कशन हैज जस्ट स्टार्टेड अप बिटवीन देम. Pranjal invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. प्रांजल ने राजवीर से एक दिन क्या कहा कि क्यों नहीं तुम समर वेकेशंस में आसाम आते. ओके, आई विल टेल यू समथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट माय प्लेस. सो बोथ ऑफ देम traveled to Assam on a train. Then Rajveer said, yes, okay, why not? I would love to explore your place. And I've really listened a lot about Assam. So they both started traveling together in a train and they were moving towards Assam. When the train stopped at a station, a vendor called Chai Garam Chai. They took tea and started sipping it. Now, what happened? जैसे कि यूजुअली जब भी हम कोई ट्रेन की जर्नी करते हैं, इट्स ऑब्वियस कि वहाँ पर कोई ना कोई चाय वाला होता ही है. ऐसा ही कुछ उनकी ट्रेन की जर्नी में था कि वहाँ पर एक चाय वाला चाय बेच रहा था. Then what happened? They both started drinking the tea. They took tea and started sipping it. Rajveer told Pranjal that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. राजवीर ने प्रांजल को क्या बताया, क्या तुम्हें पता है कि पूरे देश भर में टोटल 80 करोड़ टी कप्स आर बीइंग सोल्ड. 80 करोड़ के करीब जो टी कप्स हैं वो लोग बाग पीते हैं. ओके, लाइक ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन एज अ हैबिट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग टी. ऐसे बहुत कम रेशियो होगा जो लोग चाय नहीं पीते, बट वी हैव मोर रेशियो of people who are drinking tea. So, Pranjal started reading his detective book again. Pranjal ने ये बात सुनकर कुछ react नहीं किया, but he started reading his book again. That means जब वो लोग travel कर रहे थे तब Pranjal कोई book पढ़ रहा था and he was studying that particular book and he started reading it again. But Rajveer looked out of the window of a moving train. There was beautiful scenery outside. बट जो राजवीर था वो विंडो के बाहर क्या एंजॉय कर रहा था? दैट ब्यूटिफुल अमेजिंग सीनरी, ओके, विच वॉज ओवर देयर. और वो सीनरी किसकी थी? द ब्यूटिफुल सीनरी ऑफ आसाम वेयर ऑल द प्लांट्स वर टुगेदर एंड पीपल वर एक्चुअली कलेक्टिंग दोज टी लीव्स on their back and they were moving towards their home and he was really enjoying that particular scene. ऐसा होता है जब भी हम ट्रेन में या बस में या बाय रोड इफ वी आर ट्रैवलिंग, we enjoy the scenery which is outside, the mountains, rivers, oceans and everything. There was beautiful scenery outside. Soon the soft green paddy fields were left behind and there were tree bushes everywhere. बहुत जल्द ऐसा हुआ कि ट्रेन ने काफ़ी एक डिस्टेंस कवर अप कर लिया था, जिसके बाद में जो नॉर्मल प्लांटेशंस थे वो सब पीछे रह गए, और अब they were entering into Assam, where all the plants, where everywhere they can just see the tea plantation. There were shade trees also. He was very excited. Pranjal didn't share Rajveer's excitement because he had been born and brought up on a plantation. अब यहाँ पर राजवीर जो था, he was very excited to see that place. But what about Pranjal? He was not at all excited. Why? Because he has been brought up and grown up at that particular place. He used to play in those among those trees. Okay, so he was not at all giving any reaction, but it was all new for Rajveer. राजवीर के लिए सब कुछ काफ़ी ज़्यादा नया था, because for the very first time he is visiting Assam. He told Rajveer that Assam has the largest concentration of tea plantation in the world. प्रांजल ने राजवीर को क्या बताया, क्या तुम्हें पता है कि आसाम is the largest manufacturer of tea plantation in the world? Rajveer said that no one really knows who discovered tea. He told Pranjal that there are many legends attached to tea, to the discovery of tea. What he said, आज तक ये कोई नहीं जानता कि टी को एक्चुअली में किसने डिस्कवर करा है. ओके, देयर आर मेनी मिथ्स, देयर आर मेनी लेजेंड्स जो ये कहते हैं कि जो चाय पत्ती है, जो टी है, वो किसी ने प्रोड्यूस करी है, कोई कहता है किसी और ने प्रोड्यूस करी है, बट नोबडी एक्चुअली नोज दैट वेयर इट कम्स फ्रॉम. He always boiled water before drinking it. One day a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water. As a result, the boiled water got a delicious flavor. It is said that they were tea leaves. According to another Indian legend, Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist monk, fell asleep during meditation. So he cut his eyelids. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. ऐसे कई लेजेंड्स हैं, ऐसी कई किताबों में लिखा है कि एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि अ पर्सन वाज बॉइलिंग वाटर and some leaves fell into it, and he just saw that the leaves are just changing the color and water is turning up. Okay, water is getting a bit colorful, so he just drank it और उसमें एक अलग सा ही flavor आया. So in this way tea was produced. Somebody says कि शायद हो सकता है चाय ऐसे बनी होगी, like in Bodhidharma, there was a monk, there was a preacher, and he was sleeping one day and he just cut down its eyelids, and what happened, his eyelids produced 10 tea plants, and in that particular way tea was actually established. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drank, banished sleep. जब इन leaves को पानी में डाला गया, then what happened, that particular person was not getting that proper sleep. Whereas basically जो लोग tea, coffee consume करते हैं, okay, then what happens कि उनकी जो sleeping hours होते हैं, they are quite less because they are just drinking it, they are being addicted to it. So yes, they are just okay. So basically हमने अभी तक इस चैप्टर में क्या देखा, that all the 3 places were so beautiful that people are running towards foreign. They want to go in foreign countries, they want to explore that. But do we really explore India? Why don't we explore India? Because India is such a beautiful place. क्या इससे पहले आपको पता था Goa is famous for, Coorg is so beautiful, and even Assam is really very pretty. तीनों places की अपनी अपनी importance है. Okay, so it's important first to know your own country, that we have a lot to explore instead of moving towards out of the country. Okay, so in the conclusion also, what the writer is telling, we discovered the enchanting landscapes and unique features of various regions in India. हमने इंडिया के अलग अलग regions की importance को देखा, and we are really looking forward to a beautiful India. Okay, but why? There are numerous captivating places to explore. पता नहीं ऐसी कितनी places हैं इंडिया में जो शायद बहुत ही ज़्यादा eye catching है, and we must explore them instead of venturing into the destinations in foreign, okay, in abroad. हम क्या करते हैं, we are wandering towards abroad, we are getting attracted towards those places. But what about our own country? So students, after learning this whole chapter And today we are at the end of this particular chapter, Glimpses of India, and I just hope that you all liked it out. And what it is really teaching you is, before going anywhere, first explore your own country. Okay, and I'm sure that after reading this chapter, you're really looking forward to explore all the three places, Goa, Coorg and Assam as well. So definitely I'm looking forward that who all are going to visit these places and you're going to search on it. So I'll see you next time with a new chapter of literature. And up till that time, keep thinking on these places, that what is more, what are the other stories related to them. Thank you so much.